Why is water's structure around biomolecules so important? Imagine water as a busy helper that shapes and supports the tiny building blocks of life. Its molecular structure is not just a simple shape but a key player in how living things function. Water molecules are made up of two hydrogen atoms bonded to one oxygen atom, creating a bent shape with a positive charge on the hydrogen side and a negative charge on the oxygen side. This polarity makes water excellent at forming hydrogen bonds, which are weak attractions between water molecules and other molecules. When water surrounds biomolecules like proteins and DNA, it forms a layer called a hydration shell. This shell is more ordered than regular water because water molecules line up around the different parts of these molecules. For example, water interacts with hydrophilic or water-loving groups on proteins and DNA, helping to keep these parts stable and properly folded. Hydrophobic or water-fearing groups tend to hide away from water, which influences how proteins fold into their specific shapes. This folding is essential because it determines how proteins work in the body. Hydrogen bonds are central to this process because they are flexible and can form or break quickly. This allows water to adapt to the shape of the biomolecule, supporting changes in shape that are necessary for functions like enzyme activity or gene expression. Water also helps molecules recognize each other and bind properly, which is vital for processes like immune responses or hormone signaling. Beyond just supporting structure, water is involved directly in many chemical reactions inside cells. It can act as a reactant in breaking down molecules or help build new ones through reactions like hydrolysis. Water's ability to ionize or split into charged particles helps regulate the pH inside cells, keeping the environment just right for biological processes. Water's high dielectric constant and polar nature help shield charged groups on biomolecules from each other, reducing repulsion and allowing complex structures to form. It also acts as a transport system, moving nutrients, waste, and signals throughout the cell. Without water's unique molecular structure and behavior around biomolecules, life as we know it would not be possible. Its role in stabilizing, shaping, and enabling biological functions makes water truly essential for all living organisms.